All right, so here we are asked to sketch the graph of two different lines here. The first one is x equals 6, and the second one is y equals -3. And we also want to give the slope of each line. So we can draw these both on the same coordinate axis right here, right? So we'll just draw our xy plane here. We'll just draw our hash marks. And let's take a look. What is the first line there? The first line is given by the equation x equals 6. Well, you notice that there's no y in this equation, right? Okay. That's sort of what we're maybe used to, right? So what does this mean? What kind of line is this if it just has the x in it? X is equal to 6. Well, let's think about this carefully, right? Here's the x-axis. Here's the y-axis. So here's x is equal to 6. So what do you think this line is, right? Well, here's x equal to 6. This is just going to be a vertical line. So that's going to be a vertical line. It goes through the x-axis at the point 6. Okay. What is the slope of this vertical line? The slope of any vertical line does not exist, okay? So what about this line? Y is equal to -3. Well, you sort of think about it, right? It's sort of the opposite of this guy. Here's the y-axis. Here's y value of -3. So then this is just the equation of the line that goes through the y-axis at -3. Okay. Well, what is the slope of a horizontal line then? Okay, the slope of a horizontal line is equal to the number 0. Okay, now I do want to point out, right, that when we say 0 or nothing and does not exist in math, they sort of mean different things. Okay, so for a vertical line, you don't want to say the slope is nothing or 0. Okay, the more correct term to use would be does not exist. Okay, for horizontal line, it is a number. The slope is equal to 0.